As you can see, we're now at the exhibitor space at Nullcon. So let's talk to some of our sponsors and see what they think of their experience here.
Google has been sponsoring Nullcon for the last 3 years, and it has changed a lot. It grew a lot. This year is the biggest one we've seen so far, and the organization has also improved a lot. So we were very impressed by the number of people here, and we got lots of support from Antkrish and the whole Nullcon team, and thank you very much for the opportunity and organizing this.
Sponsoring Nullcon has been a great experience for us. We have been doing it from a couple of years now. It's been a great experience. We primarily have been coming here for recruiting. We have found good candidates previously and are expecting the same this year as well.
Schneider Electric has enjoyed the chance to sponsor the Nullcon for 2018. We also sponsored the hardware CTF, which gives us a chance to interact with both college students and others that have a high interest in the industry for hacking. And our entire team really had the opportunity to talk to our customers and learn a lot from them. So it was a very valuable experience. Very glad to be here.
It's been an amazing experience meeting with a lot of like-minded people from different companies across the country, having some great interactions with students. The talks have been really great, and we've had some amazing interactions out here. Launching our version 3 of our product as well, and the feedback's been amazing. We walk away pretty happy, and look forward to coming back here next year with a bigger and better team, and hopefully share more successes with all of you.
It's a great experience to participate and to see all the security folks around, and this is one of the event. I'd say this is the largest event, and seeing cybersecurity folks and the CTF challenges and the enthusiastic people, so much of energy and enthusiasm for the past 2 days. I see people are still, I see people like they're just trying to win the contests everywhere, and super excited and super to be here actually, and participating in these kind of events will give you more insights about what type of security and different areas, vulnerabilities, and different industries and companies that are investing a lot in security domain.
I represent Ironwasp Security. We have just launched a product S-Boxer at Nullcon, and the Nullcon experience, I would say, has been very tiring for me, because there's been a sea of people coming in one after another. I was hoping to meet a lot of people here, but I was not expecting the kind of volume of inquiries which we actually got. And I have been very thrilled with the kind of response we have personally got. My product focuses on security testing. It helps improve security testing. So I have been looking forward to meeting a lot of good security testers. And from that perspective, at least, I'm very happy, because we met at least, I would say, 150 odd security testers who came down to our stall, and so far I'll say I'm very happy with how our exhibit has gone.